my god.
It's the place. EXO on second handle. Look for bass, go to my main channel. RC video, let's go handle. How about fun?
Man, this thing is so smooth. Butter smooth. Oh my god, right into the transition. That was awesome. That's why I changed the chassis to this slightly shorter one, so I can correct it like nothing. Oh, right into the transition again. That was lovely. Oh man. Oh, I went past it that time. Holy crap, big boy. Ooh. Yesterday I had the belted tires. Today I got the stock tires, and I'm really liking it. I am so impressed with this thing. Oh my god. Did you see that? I tagged it. I went like this and tagged it. Yeah, I love this thing. It is planted. Even with the short wheelbase chassis, you know, we took off 2 inches basically on the whole truck. So should we try to do a backflip with this thing? What do you think? We're landing some good jumps. We're getting a good feel for her. I think we should try to do a backflip with it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think I could have used some more air. Holy crap, that was on like a few feet of air. Let's see how she does it one more time. Ready? More air. Holy shit. That was insane. She's still a heavy to be doing backflips. But she did it. I think I'll hold off on that just for a little while though. All right, let's go ahead and check the temperature real quick. I'm interested to see what we're at. Look at that, 105, 17, okay, 117. Still, that's perfect temperatures right there. ESC, 96, 98. We're good. Wires are nice and cool to the touch. Plugs are cool. Batteries are at 95 degrees, 100 degrees on the gears. That is awesome. Oh, that was crazy. Did you see the smoothness, ladies and gentlemen? Right into the transition. Man, so buttery smooth. Whoa. Look at the wing, freaking went right in like crazy. But because we added that extra Nero bar, look, it has flex. See, so it can actually move quite a bit without braking. See that? Oh, yes. Right into it perfectly. And it really doesn't dig up the yard very much. I mean, if you go hammering on it, it'll do some damage, but if you just go like this, check it out. I mean, it doesn't do anything. Woo! Crazy, going crazy. We're at 21 minutes on the battery. Wow, that was awesome. Heck yeah, dude, this thing is so controllable. I love it. Front flip through the trees, holy cow. Oh my god. Holy shit. Bumper broke. Oh, both batteries came disconnected. Freaking body caved in. Oh my god, that was... I'm so glad I was recording. Heatsink came flying off. Freaking ESC came off. Holy shit. Stripped the screws right out of the ESC. But damn, overall the damage isn't that bad. Just that bumper right there. The shock shafts are still nice and plush. Looks like the gearing is still Smooth, I don't see any bent shafts, surprisingly. That bumper absorbed a lot of that hit right there. So now I just gotta do another one of these. You see those screws? They're still like sticking right out of there. I gotta do another one of these top plates and redo this, but overall, it's really not that bad. Probably 57, 58 miles an hour, close to 60. That's full throttle right there. That was pretty fast. 56. Almost at 57, so I was 1 mile an hour off. I think I'm gonna keep this gearing. That's plenty fast for me, for this big bashing machine. I think that's plenty, plenty fast. Damn near 60 miles an hour. And I bet I could have gotten that 60 if I kept pulling on the throttle. And if I had a fresh battery. I'll come from this way, do it one more time, then check temperatures. Yeah, this thing is very fast. Check the temps again one more time. We're at 14.9 volts overall and 3.7. We're at $130. That's the warmest we've been so far. And we were really giving it some hard abuse. $130 on the can. And I'm gonna call it good on that. That was a full battery pack. We're at 25 minutes with the 5500 Gen Aces. And I did some speed runs, did some bashing, did some jumping. And our temperature is slowly decreasing. ESC is 98, 97, 95, 100 degrees, about there. Battery is about 100 degrees. Not bad. Our plugs are about 85, 88, 90 degrees, 86 degrees, 87 degrees. Our gears are 102, 100 degrees even for our gears. Not bad, guys, not bad. And we've already gone down quite a bit because of our fan. So because the ESC is cool, I'm gonna kill the truck. But this is on its own battery. Just for right now, I have this zip tied in there. This was just for testing. I didn't want the fan to affect my steering from the BEC or anything like that, so. Nice, $115. I think I'm gonna end the video off right there, guys. The Kraton 8S is kicking. I freaking love it, man. So much fun. All right, until the next video. EXO signing out.